When you come to Lamborghini Boston, New England's premier factory authorized Lamborghini dealer, you're building something that directly reflects your personality.
The ad personam, you get to build your car the way you want it to be.
Every step of the way, they were there for me while building the car.
They have a beautiful design studio, gives you everything you need, and I have a one-off, one-of-a-kind car for myself.
I look at this car as a part of my legacy.
Being able to customize your Lamborghini gives each car its own story.
It's a statement of who I am.
And the best part about it is when they all come together and we go to events and represent the Lamborghini family.
Being part of the brand and going to these Lamborghini events is connecting to all the different people there.
When you meet with other people that are like-minded people,
We just bond, we become friends. It's a great experience.
So come to Lamborghini Boston to configure your personalized vehicle today at New England's premier Lamborghini dealership.